Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Crenova MS8233D Auto-Ranging. Crenova Digital Multimeter, constructed to be an auto-ranging digital multimeter. You can use this digital measuring tool, is widely used in laboratory, schools, factories, and social field as well. Furthermore, this instrument used for measuring in building facilities. It includes circuit breaker, distribution boards, industrial types of equipment placed in fixed facilities, and as a fixed motor. Crenova Digital Multimeter lets you choose the right measuring range. While you are working with various components, from molecular electronics to the main electrical source as well. It seems very easy to operate and read the labels and screens. By using this intuitive instrument, you can select the desired test and the results alike. Moreover, it featured an overload prevent function. You can use the PTC protection circuit for resistance and frequency measurement. This unit intended with 3.5-digit LCD display, which makes the analysis apparent. This instrument featured with function of data hold, maximum value hold, backlight, and function switching. Comes with an auto power off function. Safety class, IEC 61010-1, Cat 2 600 volts. Very nice inexpensive DVM. Impressive quality. Performs greatly. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.